Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add comments to Office 365 OneDrive documents. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to onedrive.com. You'll need to sign in to your Microsoft account to access your OneDrive storage. Once you enter your credentials, wait a moment while the login process completes and loads your dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on your OneDrive dashboard where you can access all your stored files. To add comments to a document, look at the left side menu and click on My Files. This section displays all the files and folders you've stored in your OneDrive cloud storage, making it easy to locate the document you want to work with. Now browse through your files and find the document you wish to add a comment to. Once you've located it, click on the file to select it. You'll notice a three-dot icon appears typically in the middle of the file card. Click on this icon to reveal a context menu with various options for managing your document. From the context menu that appears, hover your cursor over the Open option. This will expand into a submenu with additional choices for how you want to access the file. From these expanded options, click on Open in Browser. This action launches a new browser tab and presents you with the full content of your document, giving you access to all editing and commenting features. Once the document loads in the new tab, direct your attention to the top right part of your screen. You'll see a Comments button there. Click on it to open the Comments panel. This feature allows you to add feedback, notes, or collaborate with others who have access to the document. A right-hand side menu will slide open, displaying any existing comments on the document. To add a new comment, simply click on the New Comment button. A comment field will appear where you can type your message. Enter the comment you wish to add to this document. Your comment can be a note to yourself, feedback for a colleague, or any other message related to the document's content. After typing your comment, click the Send button to post it. Your comment is now attached to the document and will be visible to anyone with appropriate access. You've now successfully added a comment to your Office 365 OneDrive document, making collaboration and feedback easier. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.